Wellcraft 242 Fisherman. We got some smoking hot deals on it and want to let you in. So follow me up here. We have twin 150 Yamahas on the back, so you're going to get a 5-year extension on your warranty for a total of 5 years. Coming in, you have 2 live wells. Come in, you can see that we've totally rigged this boat out with twin 9-inch Simrad fish finders and GPSs, outriggers, VHF antenna, and radar, all included. Along with those bells and whistles, you have the bow seating package and a head for all the ladies. This boat's not going to stick around long. Advertised at $102,000, everything included. You have $12,000 off for $89,995. See you when you get here.